Today, I'm here to explain about this question. Determine the inverse of f of x equal 2 to the power x negative 1 plus 3. In previous video, I explained about what inverse is. So if you are curious about it, please check out my previous video first. Okay? So let's find the inverse function of this equation. So first, what you have to do is replace f of x with y. So y equals 2 to the power x negative 2 negative 1 plus 3. Next, you need to switch y and x. So it's x is equal to 2 to the power y negative 1 plus 3. The next you have to do is you have to isolate by y. I mean, you have to do y equals something. So let's do it step by step. First, it's better to have something about y on left side. Then you move this plus 3 into right side. So 2 to the power negative 1. So you subtract 3 for both sides. Then 2 to the power y negative 1 equal x negative 3. Then you want to do like y negative 1 equals something. Can you do that? If it's hard, just think with simple numbers. What I always put is like this 2 cubed is equivalent to. How would you convert this equation into 3 equals something? Yes. Using logarithm, you can convert equation like this. If you have no idea what this conversion, please also check about my previous video. Okay. So let's see. These are correspond, and these correspond to here, and green one corresponds to. So it's going to be red one is equal to log base blue one or green one, like that. So finally plus 1 for both sides. Then y is equal to log base 2 of x negative 3 plus 1. That's it. Let's work on one more question. f of x equal log 5 x plus 1 negative 3. So do you remember first step you have to do? First you need to replace f of x with y. X plus 1 negative 3. Next you need to switch y and x. So x is equivalent to log base 5 of y plus 1 negative 3. Next you need to isolate by y. So log 5x y plus 1 negative 3 is equivalent to x, and the plus 3 for both sides. Log base 5y plus 1 is equivalent to x plus 3. It looks a bit complicated too. So what I would do is think with simple numbers. So this case, this is a logarithm, so I also use logarithm. The log 2 of 8 is equivalent to 3, right? Then you want to make it 8 equals something. This is 2 to the power 3, isn't it? Yes. So using this idea, let me these correspond. The blue one, oops, let me just change the color. Blue one correspond. And last, the green one. So it's going to be green one. Oops. This one. The green one is equivalent to red one to the power of blue one, right? Then negative one, for both sides. Y is equivalent to 5 to the power x plus 3, negative 1. That's it.